So after you watch that video, now this should kind of be almost like review. So this is going to be volume of cones formula. So this is going to be, again, you would think of this as pi r squared h because that is the volume of a cylinder, and then it's times a third. Again, if we are in 8th grade, we are going to be seeing this formula being used, where again, B is our area of base, and H is the height of our shape. So if we draw this picture, we always start with a top part of an arrow, connect those two with a half circle, and then don't draw the other part. We are going to start at the TP, and we are going to draw straight down. That's going to be our height. Then where it meets, it should be the middle of what would be that circle if you completed it. And then we're going to go the other way. All the way to the left would be our radius. Again, these right here are forming that perpendicular, that 90-degree angle. So let's do some examples. All right, so examples of volume of cones. And this is going to, again, be use 3.14 for pi. Use 3.14 for pi. Now this you're going to actually have to, what's the word? Round, which sometimes is a struggle for us. So let's see how we do. So for cone number 1, we're going to start drawing our arrow up. Connect it using a half circle. We are going to draw a dotted line down. Ooh, I did not mean to do that all the way, my bad. And so it should stop like there. Sorry, guys. And then let's go to the right. This is going to be 5 meters. This is going to be 20 meters. So the biggest thing that you need to remember is notice how I'm always doing the legitimate height of the shape. This outside part is called the slant height. That's not the same thing. You cannot use it. You need to know that when we get to our next topic after this. So remember, volume equals 1/3 times the base times the height. Our base is pi r squared. And again, we just keep that h and we keep that 1/3. We go with 1/3 times 3.14. We think about, is our radius given? Is our radius given? It is, in fact, so this is going to be times 5 squared and times 20. So you can do this one of two ways. You can think about this as this is 1 times 3.14 times 5 squared times 20 all over 3 is probably the best way to do it. Or you can do 1 divided by 3 in your calculator first, get that answer, and then multiply across. I like to divide at the end, think about it as 2 different things. So I'm looking at this as, again, 1 times anything is that anything. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 5 times 5, right? Because 5 squared is 5 times 5, times 20 divided by 3. And if you look at your calculator, you get 523.333333333333. And we remember that repeating decimals have a line over them. If you were to be asked to round to the 100th, if you were to be asked to round to the 100th, which I'm going to add in now, then your answer would be 523.33. Okay, remember, hundreds is always the second number after the decimal. Second number after the decimal.